We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also.
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 9. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then change its size so it must be visible to everyone. Okay. So XP22 Excel chapter 9 cumulative assessment tips. We just increase its size and change its color. And here is project description. We just increase its size and change its color. Okay. So in today's video we will discuss XP22 Excel chapter 9 cumulative assessment tips. We will discuss this assignment step by step, but before going to solve this, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? So in today's assignment we have, let me see, 16, 17, 18. It's quite big one. Okay, we have 26 questions in today's assignment, and the last one is non-graded one. Okay, let me start today's assignment. So in today's video we will discuss XP22 Excel chapter 9 cumulative assessment tips, and here is project description. Your friend Julia is a server at a restaurant. She downloaded the data for her customer foods and average purchases for the week. You will complete the workbook by applying consistent formatting across the worksheet and finalizing the weekly summary. Okay. Then a restaurant requires tips sharing. You will calculate how much he will share with the average worker and the assistant. So that were all just description about the project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Let me move toward graded part. Steps to perform, and here is instructions. So start Excel, then download and open. Okay, there's download and open the file name. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Grader have automatically added our last name to the beginning of the file name. The Excel workbook contains circular references. When you open the file, an error message displays. This error will resolve as a part of the project. So let me start this assignment. Okay. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay, yes. So question number 1 is done. That is not graded one, but it's mandatory that we have to solve this part and we have to open the solution file. Okay. Now moving toward next part. The tip left column in Friday worksheet contain fill error and number formatting. You want to fill these format to other daily worksheet. Okay. So group the Friday through Monday worksheet. So first we have to group Friday to Monday. Friday through Monday. Okay, Monday, then hold on control key, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. First we have to make them in group, then starting with Friday worksheet. Okay, now we have to work with Friday worksheet. Here, fill the format only in the range E5 to E24. Is E5 or E4? E5. E5 to E24. First we have to select the range. Then his editing group, fill across worksheet, and here we have to use format. Okay, press OK. So now this format will be there in on Thursday worksheet, yes, on Wednesday worksheet, Tuesday, Monday, because all are in group form. The hint: the home tab contains a fill option. Yes, we have done and we got a 6 marks from there. So in question number 2, we have to group the Friday through Monday worksheet. After making them in group, then starting with Friday worksheet, fill the format only for range E5 to E24. Question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Now you want to insert columns total for 5 worksheet simultaneously. Okay, so with the worksheet still grouped, insert a sum function in the range B5 to B25 to E25. Okay, on Friday worksheet, B25 to E25. Here we have to insert a sum function. So we use equal, then write sum function, then select the range, this range. Okay, then simply press enter and get the result. Now simply drag this formula to E25. Okay, and then apply total cell style there. Okay, now we have to apply total cell style. So first we have to make them visible. Now here we have to apply total cell style. Select all these cell, then here is a cell style, and we have to apply total cell style, this one. Then ungroup the worksheet. Now we have to make them ungroup. So click on any group worksheet, right click on there, and there is ungroup option. Then hint: home tab contains a cell style. Yes, we got and we get done and we get answer. So question number 3 is done and we have on 6 marks from there. So in question number 3, with worksheet still in group form, we have to insert some function in the range B5 to E25, then apply total cell style, then ungroup the worksheet. So question number 3 is done. Now moving toward question number 4. The worksheet is designed to be a summary sheet. So you want to insert a hyperlink to the total heading in Monday worksheet. That was just simply instruction about question number 4. On the worksheet, on week worksheet, okay, on the week worksheet here, then in cell E5 insert hyperlink in cell E5. Here we have to insert a hyperlink to cell E25 of a Monday worksheet, and we have to insert also screen tips for that one. Then test hyperlink to ensure that is work correctly. So we just simply copy hyperlink text from here, then move there, right click on Monday, then click on link, place in the document and select Monday. And what cell we have to select? We have to select cell E25. Here we write E25, and for screen tips we have to add that screen tips that we have already copied. Now press OK and we get done. Now when we have to verify that one. Okay, simply click on there. When we click on this link, that will bring us to Monday, cell E25. Let me see. Yes, Monday is cell E25. So question number 4 is done, and we have earned 2 marks from the hint. The insert tab contains option insert hyperlink, but we got that one. Okay, so question number 4 is done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. In question number 4, we have to move toward week worksheet. Then in cell E5, insert a hyperlink to cell E25 in Monday worksheet with screen tip text Monday's totals. Then test hyperlink to ensure it worked correctly. Okay. So question number 4 is done. Now moving toward question number 5. In a cell E6 on a week worksheet, E6 on a week worksheet here, sorry. Then insert hyperlink to cell E25 of Tuesday worksheet and also add screen tips text today Tuesday totals. Then test hyperlink to ensure it is worked correctly. Okay, so we just simply copy this one and then come on here or right click on Tuesday, then link with Tuesday, and here is a screen tips text. We have to paste that one. And what cell we have to in? We have to in E25. Here we have to in E25. Now simply press OK and we get the result. Now we have to verify that one. So when we click on Tuesday worksheet link, sorry, on Tuesday link, that will bring us on Tuesday cell E25. Let me see. Yes, that bring Tuesday cell E25. So this question number 6 and 5 is done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. In cell E7, insert a hyperlink to cell E25 in Wednesday worksheet. We have to move toward E7. Okay, and here we have to insert a hyperlink to cell E25 of Wednesday worksheet, and screen tips is this one, and we have to check hyperlink also. Okay, so we just copy this one, then or right click link, that is Wednesday, then cell E25, then screen tips, and we have to paste that one. Simply press OK, then verify. So we have to click on there. When we click on Wednesday link, that will bring us to Wednesday worksheet cell E25. Yes, it's working. Okay, so this part is done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. Okay, question number 6 is done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7. In cell E8, insert hyperlink to cell E25 in Thursday worksheet. We have to move towards cell E8, and there we have to add a hyperlink to in Thursday worksheet with screen tips Thursday totals. Then again test and verify. Okay, so we just copy the screen tips from here, or right click on Thursday link, then link with Thursday, and here we have to write E25, sorry, then screen tips, and we have to paste that screen tips text that we have already copied. Now we have to verify. So when we click on this link, that will bring us on Thursday E25. Yes, that's working, and we have earned 2 marks from there. Now moving toward cell E9. In cell E9, we have to insert a hyperlink to cell E25 of Friday worksheet with screen tips text Friday totals. Then test hyperlink to ensure it is over correctly. Okay, so we just copy the text from here. Then here's E9, or right click link Friday E25, then screen tips, paste that one, press OK, OK, and we get the result. Now we have to verify. When we click on this link, that will bring us on Friday is cell 25. Yes, it's working. So question number 8 is done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. Okay. Now moving toward question number 9. Now you are ready to insert a reference to cell individual worksheet. First, you will insert a reference to a Monday's food total. So in a cell B5 on a week worksheet, insert 3D reference to cell B25 of a Monday worksheet. Then copy formula to the range C5 to E5. Then in next part, in question number 10, the index formula will display the totals for Tuesday. So in cell B5, insert formulas with 3D reference B25 in Tuesday worksheet. Then copy formula to the range this one, and we will earn 2 marks from there. Same way we will solve other parts also. So you may see we have just 26 point. Out of 26 point, we have done first 10 point, mean almost half of assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Or remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable and result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, result will be 100%, and file will be ready in next 30 minutes. So in today's video, we have discussed XP22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Assessment Tips. We have solved almost 50% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.